Did you think building an app would be easy? I did. I've helped clarify how many creators use base44 to make polished apps fast and get meaningful results. But it was a struggle at first. Many people get overwhelmed by complex platforms or waste weeks on confusing interfaces. I wish I'd known how to do it smarter from day one. So, to help you make AP building easier, here are 6 proven steps that will help you create your first app successfully. Most people have amazing app ideas but never build them because they think it requires years of technical training or expensive teams. Consequently, brilliant concepts stay trapped in people's heads instead of becoming real tools that help others. Therefore, Base44's AI-driven approach simplifies the process. Furthermore, the step-by-step process I'll show eliminates the technical complexity. By the end of this video, you'll see a complete task management app built from scratch with Base44. Moreover, you'll learn how to use templates, integrations, and an AI-generated app brief so you can launch faster. First, let me show you how to navigate Base44's user-friendly interface and understand what makes it powerful for beginners. When you first log into Base44, you'll see a clean dashboard designed to guide you naturally through the app building flow. Unlike other platforms that overwhelm you with technical options, Base44 presents features step by step, so you can focus on your idea rather than fighting the interface. Here's how to get started with Base44. First, go to Base44's homepage and click the Start Building button in the top right corner. Then, sign up using Google or email and authorize the app if prompted. Next, you'll be redirected to your workspace where a "What would you build today?" box invites you to describe your idea. After that, type a short description of your app idea and press Create to let the platform suggest templates. Subsequently, review your workspace dashboard, which shows recent projects and quick access to common features. Finally, choose your project to open the editor and start customizing. As a result, you can jump into buildings immediately without getting lost. Now that you know how to open your workspace, let's quickly point out 2 powerful areas you can use: app templates and integrations base. 44 provides a curated app catalog with ready-made templates and a separate integrations catalog with connectors. These tools are there to speed you up. You don't have to build everything from scratch first. Click the App Templates tab in the top menu to open the app catalog. Then browse templates by category, for instance, productivity or operations, and preview any template to see sample screens and sample data. Next, if a template fits your idea, click Use this template to create a new project based on it. This gives you a jumpstart without manual setup. After that, click the Integrations tab in the top menu to open the Integrations catalog. Subsequently, explore available connectors. Examples shown in the catalog include calendar sync, email providers, Slack-like messaging, cloud storage, and AI/ML integrations. Moreover, click an integration to view install instructions and follow the OAuth or authorization steps to connect it to your app. Finally, enable the integrations you need and map fields or triggers, so your app can send reminders, attach files, sync events, or call external services automatically. As a result, templates give you a professional starting point and integrations. Let your app work with tools your team already uses, which means faster builds and better workflows. If you're unsure which integration to start with, pick one that adds immediate value and add more later. Now we'll speed up planning by using ChatGPT to generate a clear, structured idea and technical spec for our app. Instead of guessing what features you need, ask ChatGPT to write a full idea and a technical feature list you can copy into Base44. This shortens research time and clarifies scope. Open ChatGPT and type this exact prompt for maximum effectiveness. Give me a well-structured idea for a professional task management app that can track collaborators' work daily, weekly, and monthly, and has a professional and simple design that anyone can understand. After sending that prompt, expect an answer like this example. App concept, flow track, professional task and team progress manager. A clean, professional app that helps teams manage tasks and track progress daily, weekly, and monthly without clutter or complexity. Key user personas team, leads and managers, assign tasks, monitor progress, review reports. Collaborators, view tasks, update status, log activity. Clients, view only access to progress dashboards. Core features, task management. Create tasks with title, description, priority, deadline. Assigned users, subtasks, file attachments, and internal comments. Progress tracking. Daily, completed tasks, active tasks, optional hours, and auto summaries. Weekly, completed delayed tasks, productivity chart, upcoming deadlines, weekly score monthly. Completed versus assigned tasks, activity heat map, collaboration insights, and monthly PDF report. Dashboard. Minimal at-a-glance view. Today's tasks, urgent deadlines, team snapshot, and quick filters like My Tasks, Team Tasks, Overdue Completed. Notifications, daily reminders, deadline alerts, and task update notifications. Simple and non-intrusive collaboration tools. Real-time updates, comment threads with it mentions and status options. Reports and analytics. Auto-generated reports, time to complete metrics, exportable as PDF/CSV app structure bottom navigation, 4 tabs, home, tasks, team, reports. Design style minimalist, modern, professional. Optional features, AI summaries, workload suggestions, integrations, Google Calendar, Notion, Slack/Teams, voice to task, offline mode. Once the concept is defined, the next step is to specify the technical details for base44 to implement. This is a common stumbling block, as many are unsure which technical features are essential for an effective habit-building app. ChatGPT instantly resolves this issue by delivering comprehensive specifications that cover every functional requirement. Ask ChatGPT this follow-up question immediately. Now, describe in detail the technical features this professional task management application should have. Include user accounts, habit tracking, motivation systems, notifications, social features, and any other essential characteristics. Explain specifically how each feature works. As a result, ChatGPT will provide detailed specifications such as this system includes all the essential technical features you'd expect from a professional task management app. User accounts, secure login, SSO options, roles for admins, members, and viewers. Tasks, titles, priorities, deadlines, progress tracking, subtasks, attachments, and real-time updates. Progress tracking. Daily summaries, weekly reports, and monthly insights like heat maps and efficiency scores. Habits and motivation, streaks, reminders, achievements, and a simple productivity score. Notifications, alerts for new tasks, deadlines, mentions, and weekly summaries. Delivered in-app, push, or email. Collaboration, comments with mentions, shared files, activity feed, and a team directory. Projects. Each workspace includes projects with dashboards, Kanban boards, calendars, and templates. Storage and security, reliable database, cloud file storage, encryption, and automatic backups. AI, optional. Auto summaries, workload suggestions, risk predictions, and natural language task creation integrations. Google Calendar, Slack/Teams, Notion, Drive, Dropbox, and automation tools. The remarkable aspect is that ChatGPT includes behavioral science principles that make habit apps actually effective. Now comes the exciting part. Watching base44's AI transform our specifications into a working app in real time. Base44's AI platform works like having an entire development team that never sleeps and understands exactly what you want. Think of it as your personal app building assistant that turns ideas into reality through simple instructions. Now, back to your personal workspace. Upon entering your workspace, you will see a page asking, "What would you build today?" Here, you can bring your app idea to life by typing a detailed description of the application you want to create into the large white text box. Now, paste the result we generated in ChatGPT, and you'll see how base44's AI transforms our specifications into a functional app in real time. The platform immediately begins analyzing your requirements and creating the app structure. As a result, you can watch your personal finance app materialize in real time without any coding knowledge required. What makes base44's AI exceptional is its understanding of modern app development standards. Furthermore, it automatically implements responsive design, data security protocols, and user experience optimizations that would typically require specialized expertise. Traditional development is expensive and time-consuming. Templates, integrations, and AI planning change the equation. Traditional development, conservative, $200,000 to $400,000 in the first year, 6 to 12 months to MVP, ongoing maintenance costs, base44 plus AI planning, $99 to $299 per month, depending on tier days or weeks to MVP. No full-time developers required. Integrations replace custom builds. Total first year, $1,200 to $5,000, depending on add-ons. This approach reduces upfront costs by approximately 95% and gets you to value much faster. Let's clear up the most common questions now that we've added integrations and an AI-powered planning step. Is base44 good for beginners with zero technical experience? Absolutely. The templates, visual editor, and AI-generated brief make the process extremely accessible. Most people find that combining a template with an AI brief reduces uncertainty by half. What if I need custom features beyond the template? Start with the template and built-in integrations. Do integrations create security issues? Integrations use standard OAuth and restricted scopes. Test each connector in preview mode, limit permissions, and allow only admins to manage integrations. This keeps things safe and manageable. Are AI suggestions from ChatGPT reliable? AI gives you structured ideas and feature lists, but treat them as a draft. Validate them with users and adapt as needed. Using AI as your checklist speeds up setup and reduces guesswork. Starting with a template, wiring the right integrations, and using an AI-generated brief is the fastest, safest way to move from idea to a testable product. You don't need perfect code or expensive teams to create something useful. Just a clear plan, the right templates, and repeatable tests. Stop waiting for perfect. Your app empire starts with a single, well-planned app today. Start building, test with real users, and iterate. You've got this, and base44 plus ChatGPT will make it so much easier. For more no-code tutorials on advanced integrations and even monetization, hit subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.